Hello, this is Clint Guyman. This is a hints video for the Labview assignment. One of the first things you want to do when you open up, this is the file you'll download, is try to run it. And you'll run into the error that on the block diagram you're going to need to change this. I hope you can see that, and I apologize for filming the screen, but I couldn't get the screen record to work when I changed screens between different programs. Anyway, so yeah, you're going to have to change this folder to point to the right area. It's not going to be CGG6, that's me. And then the other error sometimes that you'll find is this one, where it says the device specified cDAQ 5 mod 2 is not valid. It says you should use cDAQ 4, and I'll show you why it's saying that. You go to NI Max here. There's the NI Max program. I'll take a second to open that. And this is communicating with the National Instruments chassis. And so you click Devices and Interfaces right there, and it should show you the one that's currently available, and it's cDAQ 4, where our error said, hey, you need to have, it's looking for cDAQ 5, but you have cDAQ 4. So we just need to rename that. So we'll come back over here and rename each one of these to cDAQ 5. So I just click on it, not double click, but click a couple times. And it doesn't rename all of them if you rename the top one, unfortunately. And so you'll just rename them 5. There you go. And then we'll try to run that again. We'll stop this, hit run, and I think we're in business. Oh yeah, we're collecting data. You can check the data file too. You should see that it's logging data into your file. The other hint is when the program is running, you can use probes. And for instance, I can put a probe right there, and it'll pop up and tell me what that array has. So I put the probe on that array, or I could put it on this string, and it's going to tell me what the value is. So I meant to put it right here. You can see what it's writing each time. So it's writing a string value of those values to the file. Kind of cool with those. While the program's running, you can use probes. So I'll stop the program from running, and then also there's a helpful one here called context help. So you can mouse over different items and then tell you more details, including detailed help. You can click in here and it'll be, oh sorry, you weren't seeing that. I was talking to the screen, not looking where you were pointing. But yeah, so this context help comes from here. Go to context help, and there it is. And you can see if I point to different items, it will show me what it is. So as part of this, you're going to have to pull data out of here as far as the temperatures go, to do the change in the temperature inlet to outlet. So let's do that. So one of the things is this is an array. So if I click right here, oh look, data type of that wire is an array. It's one dimensional. So there's a list of numbers, including my 2 temperatures, once you put the second temperature in there. So then I can say, oh, let me try and do a search for array functions. So it popped up that on the search and then I can type array, and then I can mouse over this. Let me move this over here so you can see that. When I push array here, it'll give me details about, oh, that's the array size. Oh look, build array. Okay, I don't know how to do that. Index array. Hey, that might be helpful. Here's my inlet array. I can give it an index and it'll tell me what element it is. So correspondingly, you can use that to pull out the flow or the temperatures that you'll need in order to calculate Q. Good luck. I know God loves us.